They say the following info from a Khoba is a sole trader, blah, 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 markup 30%. Use the extract to set up trading stock and debtors control. Just remember, this is a separate question 1.2. So now let's go post. And when I go post, I firstly go see what journals is there. CRJ, CPJ, DJ, DAJ, CJ, CAJ, GJ. So it's basically all the journals. So the first thing I do when I get these two T accounts is I quickly go and I write down for myself the format. So I know trading stock format is balance BD, bank, CPJ, creditors control, CJ, cost of sales, DAJ. Cost of sales, CRJ, cost of sales, DJ, creditors control, CAJ. And I'm just going to, yeah, I see they already wrote lines, so I'm just going to say balance CO, balance BD. And I see this is always the first, and the date here is September. So September the 30th, October, September the 30th. Right. When I go to debtors, and don't you dare have any part of this wrong. Formats, study work, ne? I don't want you to lose marks for stuff that you should know. Debtors control, same thing, plus minus. So it would be September 1st, balance BD, 30th, sales, DJ. Credit side. Now I first need to go look. Remember, your CRJ, there's two methods. So what method is this? It's the method with two columns. Can you see? So in other words, the debtors control is the bank and the discount together. So I say bank and discount allowed, CRJ. Debtors allowance, DAJ. Balance CO, balance BD. Yuck, this line's so weird. Balance BD. Okay, and now since I've got that, I can literally just scroll through stuff. I just want to see, here is some extra info. The owner took stock and donations. So I remember this one goes with this one. Okay. So, let's start. CRJ, what am I looking for? Stuff to do with stock and debtors. So your easiest way to do this is you work through this. Did they give me a balance for stock? Yes. 106, 200. I go to the CPJ. I go look, do I look for bank or trading stock? Trading stock. Remember, if I look here, this bank is the totals. So I only look for trading stock. 42, 450. CJ. If I look at creditors, control creditors journal, there it is. Do I look for creditors or trading stock? Trading stock, because creditors is the total of all of that. So 77, 880. Now, I know in the trading stock, if I go to the selling journals, I'm going to go for cost of sales, because you won't find the word trading stock. Can you see there's no trading stock, but there is a cost of sales. But this cost of sales is a question mark, which means I need to calculate it. So they told me it's 30%. So I say sales times 100 over 130 gives me what? Can I quickly just say something again? Remember, if they give you a little sentence there that says, cash customers got a certain percentage trade discount or cash discount. Ne? I'm writing it down for you. If they give you the sales, you first need to add back the discount so that you got the 100% sales. And then that amount you times with 100 over 130 to get the cost. Because remember, the cost price is not going to change because you gave discount. So you have to work, they gave you the markup in normal situations. So you have to first work back to the normal situation before you work out the cost of sales. If they give me the cost of sales, ne, and I times with 130 over 100, I will get the sales before discount, as if there was no discount, and then I subtract the discount. You guys see what I did? I'm going to do it nicely with an example for you. And I am recording this so that you can go listen to it again. So let's say with the CRJ, there was a little extra info that said, cash customers got 700 Rand cash discount. Okay, so now when I look at my sales, so they gave me sales. So now I have to say 62,790. Add back the 700 Rand so that I can see 63 is at what? 490. That is the sales when there were no discount. Are we fine? Now if I times it with 100 over 130, my cost would be what? $483.80.
No.
488.38. Okay, so now it's is it only 0.8 or is it 0.8 something? So it's 488.38.5. Can you guys talk to me?
Yes.
Thank you. Yoch, it's frustrating if you guys don't talk to me. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna, but for in this case I'm not gonna round it up, otherwise it's gonna, you'll see. So I just want you to see now. If I take that 488.3850, stop. I times it, please listen, with 130 over 100, you will get what? You will get 63,490. And then you subtract the 700 to get the 62,790.